Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change the time to activate a window by hovering over it with your mouse in Windows. So usually when you hover over a window it will depend on how long it's going to take before it actually activates the window. So this tutorial is going to show you guys how to change the default amount of time that it requires, and we're going to go and jump right into it. So first thing you're going to do is open up the start menu, just off on the start button one time. Type in regedit, so R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back a registry editor. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now before you do anything to the registry, I would highly suggest you make a backup of it. In order to do that, it's very simple. Just with left click on the file tab up at the top left click on export. Save it to a convenient location on your computer. Export range, I would highly suggest that you select all, and then file name. Usually the date in which you're making the backup is a smart decision. And then you'll click on save. And then if you ever need to import it back in, you just would do file import and navigate over the file. So pretty straightforward. So once you're done making the backup, now you want to go expand the HK current user folder. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Now you want to expand the control panel, and then you just want to left click on desktop one time. On the right side there should be something that says active WND-TRK timeout. So if I expand that here, it should be near the top. You want to go ahead and double click on that. For the value data in here, this is going to allow you to set how many milliseconds you want it to allow. So just for a point of reference, 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. So let's just say we want to set it for 1 second. So I'm just going to type in 1000 here. And underneath base, this is one of the few times I would suggest actually going and selecting decimal. So the first thing I would suggest underneath base, set it to decimal, one of the few times I actually would show you guys to do that. And for value data, now that it's 0, just delete whatever's in there. 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second, and that's how this is measured in. So value data is measured in milliseconds. So I'm just going to type in 1000 milliseconds. You guys can do longer or shorter intervals to personal preferences, and then left click on OK. And once you're done with that, close out of here and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.